2025 Lexus LC Performance Review. The 2025 Lexus LC is more of a grand tourer than a focused performance vehicle, but it is powerful and handles well. The growling V8 engine is a rarity in today's market, and the available hybrid powertrain offers excellent fuel economy. Still, the LC is no slouch, even if it's not as intense as rivals like the BMW M8 or Mercedes-AMG SL Class. Our pick of the range is the LC 500 convertible, as it best encapsulates what the car is, a relaxed, indulgent grand tourer with an incredible design and a mellifluous V8 soundtrack. The LC 500 is a car that you'll find excuses to drive. It's unquestionably fun, it sounds great, and it looks amazing. And it's an everyday kind of fun, not just a car that needs a special road to come alive. Even its slow acceleration, relative to its competition, helps as it lets you dig into the engine a little more than you otherwise might. Engine options, horsepower, and acceleration. Base engine, 5.0-liter V8 with 471 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque. Available powertrain, a 3.5-liter V6 engine, 2 electric motors and a 1.1 kilowatt-hour battery pack with a combined 354 horsepower, LC 500h. Drivetrain, rear-wheel drive. Transmission, standard 10-speed automatic, available multistage hybrid automatic. The LC 500's V8 is quick, and it produces a thunderous sound. The 10-speed automatic transmission is smooth and quick shifting. The hybrid isn't as thrilling, but it works perfectly with the cruising side of the LC's personality. A V8 engine is standard in the LC 500, pushing out 471 horsepower. That's enough oomph for the Lexus to dash to 60 miles per hour in 4.6 seconds, the 5.0-liter engine emitting a thunderous, gut-stirring noise in the process. The 2024 LC 500 is energized by a 471 horsepower V8. Sprinting from standstill to 60 miles per hour happens in an impressive 4.4 seconds, and the engine sounds glorious in the process yet never obnoxious. As V8 engines increasingly fall victim to emissions regulations, the 2024 Lexus LC 500 gloriously exemplifies the delights of internal combustion. It's equipped with a 5.0-liter naturally aspirated V8, which spins out 471 HP and 398 lb-ft of torque amidst a sonorous rumble. That's all channeled through a 10-speed automatic transmission to the rear wheels. Our test team extracted a 4.7-second 0 to 60 miles per hour time from the LC 500. MPG estimates. The EPA hasn't released fuel economy estimates for the 2025 Lexus LC, but we expect them to be similar to those of the 2024 model, which were slightly below average for the luxury sports car class. On their own, the LC 500h hybrid's fuel economy estimates are class-leading. V8 coupe, 16/24 mpg city/highway. V8 convertible, 15/25 mpg. Hybrid V6, 26/33 mpg. Handling and braking. The LC provides an excellent ride quality and quick steering even without the available sport and dynamic handling packages. Stability at high speeds is a strong suit, and the LC's standard brake-based torque vectoring pays off when the road gets twisty. There's minimal body roll and good balance to the Lexus's handling, and the ride quality is excellent considering the huge 21-inch wheels that our test cars wore. The variable steering and adaptive rear-wheel steering systems included with the performance package notably enhance the quickness of the LC's helm and the car's general responsiveness. Yet the standard chassis setup is a better fit for the car's GT comportment and feels more natural without impeding the LC's tactility. We'd advise saving the money and sticking with the base chassis. Throwing out the LC's anchor comes via a firm and progressive brake pedal and big, fade-free brakes at each wheel. As a grand tourer rather than a true driver's machine, like a Porsche 911, we've found that the LC definitely has its own fine qualities. It's reassuringly stable at high speeds. And the standard brake-based torque vectoring, where the inside rear wheel goes around a corner slower than its outside counterpart, helps the car stay tidy in the curves. We think the car's heft, each variant weighs over 4,000 pounds, tends to discourage more aggressive driving. For journeys through scenic areas, however, the LC can be a perfect companion. For as sleek and sporty as it looks, how the LC drives is less so. To be sure, it's a lovely thing to pilot on any road, but it's not as quick, precise, or refined as some competitors when it's pushed hard.